up, everyone? Today I'm gonna be doing my spark plugs. I'm supposed to change them when I change my oil, but I didn't get a chance to get them. And I was supposed to get copper, but they gave me platinum because it's the only ones they had at my local shop. So looks like I'm gonna be using platinum. But it's real easy. Supposed to have a bracket here because this is the 2.0 spark plugs or coil packs I meant, and I'm supposed to have an adapter or a bracket to kind of hold them still, but I don't have it, and I've been looking for them and I can't find them. It's always like the set of coil packs and the bracket. So if anybody knows where I can get the bracket, let me know. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's say the bracket was here. All you gotta do is remove the bolts, which is gonna be 2 for each pair, or 2 pairs for each coil pack. And after you do that, just pop them out like so. Pops out like that, and I'm using a special tool for spark plugs. It's a deep-well socket, 5/8, and it has a magnet inside, so you can grab the plugs while they're in there. So also an adapter if you need it. But all you have to do is get it in there, loosen it up. Once you loosen it up, pretty much just twist it by hand.
So don't waste mine. Instead of being out here with that 9, I'm out here trying to grind. I'm out here trying to shine.
And there you go.
That paper right. Take care of
Wow,
mine.
that's pretty bad.
Can't take it. Lots of fake love.
But this is the copper one. Personally, I've heard copper's the best for VW, Audi turbo engines. And I've heard, or in the package it looks like it says this is more efficient. Also, you want to measure them, see if the gap is the same. So with this one, we're going to start off. So it'll be around 0.035, I believe, the back end of it. And we're gonna measure that on here, make sure it's the same. If not, we just gotta force it. Put it inside. I'm gonna do it by hand first. You don't want to cross thread it. Once it starts to get tight, you want to snug it. I don't know exactly the torque. Just snug. Second one. second one is the same procedure. Pop it up. Remember, you always want to pull instead of push. You don't want to bust your knuckles. Goes by hand. Awesome. See how it is. Should be on the same. It sure is. You're good. Pop the coil pack back in. Pop. And then do the third one. That one got a little bit of oil in it, but I think it's from the oil change. Yep, got it. See, got oil on this one. I'm pretty sure that's from the oil change. But that's when I spilled it like an idiot. There's no oil on the tip. That's how you know it's not coming from the inside. So yeah, measure this one as well. Yep. And you can get the spark plug tool or the measuring tool, the feeler gauge from AutoZone or pretty much anywhere like AutoZone, Pep Boys, any auto shop, they should have them. I'm gonna put a link below for the deep well socket with the magnet for your spark plugs. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. Pretty much just put the bracket on and put your coil packs in, or vice versa. Also, guys, make sure you visit your local junk shop or junkyard, salvage yard, whatever you want to call it, because I've been looking for this part on eBay or online. These two right here, they cost like $20-$30 online, and I found it at the salvage yard for $5. These two. So, pro tip: just before you purchase anything online for car parts, like OEM parts, make sure you look around your local salvage yard, because you never know what you're gonna find. So just replace the plugs, real easy, took me like 5 minutes. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Long money, longest we could get away with. Money come and go, but my heater gotta stay with. Muscle on the burst, so my Nina never say shit. She just whispers to you, she be on some yin yang shit. Hey, stack money till the day I die. Cream like the coffee, I stay on my grind.